Ciao, welcome back to our kitchen. And today we're going to bake. We're going to bake banana cake. Of course, we have bananas. Ayun, saan na yun? Meron pa tayo isang banana dyan kanina na pinainan ni Ate G. Yung saba. So at least we have this. Hindi lang siya overripe. But then, kailangan good enough to have 5 bananas. Then flour. Lagyan natin ng chocolates. Yung ano. Cocoa powder. Chocolate na bar. And meron pa tayong white chocolate chips on toppings. Tapos, we have brown sugar. We have baking soda. We have baking powder. We have what do you call this? Butter. That's margarine actually. Yan. You have vanilla. You have cinnamon. Yan ating mga isi-sift natin yung ating flour para mapino. And then ma-mash natin yung ating bananas. One and a half cups ng flour. And tapos half cup ng cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon ng baking powder. 1 teaspoon ng baking soda. Half teaspoon ng salt. Sift. Para pino siya. At ang ating dry ingredients. There you go. This is easy. Since malamig, maulan ang panahon, sarap kumain yan. There you go. Sift them together. Tapos sabi nga ni Chef Arlie, if you're in doubt na pino na siya, you can sift it again. Para mas pino pa siya. While we're sifting them, preheat na natin tong oven natin. Mga less than 200 degrees Celsius. Got to put some half a teaspoon lang din ito first. Some flavorings. There you go. Pag natin siya. Yan. Then let's set this aside. In this other bowl, lagyan natin ang ating bananas. So we have your bananas now. And then we'll mix that with sugar. We'll use brown sugar para mas masarap siya. And darker yung ating palalabasan ng texture. 1 cup of sugar. Tapos i-mash natin yung ating bananas. Yan. Mas prefer ko din yung bananas na medyo yung hindi masyadong medyo may buo minsan kasi parang may texture yung ating cake, yung banana loaf. Okay. There you go. sabi nila as per advised, the more na ripe yung overripe yung banana, the better. Para mas matamis siya. This one naman, kaya natin mixed siya with the sugar directly para mas matamis din. Yeah. Just after this, we'll put na some vanilla. Ano tayong masher? Pwedeng ito yung big spoon or itong yan. Itong ating fork. Hindi ko makita yung aking na minang tayo kasi ulit nakapag-take action. Ko lang siya nahalungkat ulit sa ating kitchen. And it's a good thing na time to bake. There you go. This only proves na hindi siya ganun ka-right. But then, pwede natin i-mash naman talaga. Tapos lagyan naman natin siya ng chocolates eh. So, don't worry. Okay din na sa akin yung texture na ganito. Tapos yung 1/4 cup ng butter. Isosoften lang natin. Ipatong lang natin siya sa ating oven para i-melt. 1 teaspoon ng vanilla. Since we're using also butter, so half a cup lang ng oil lagyan natin. We're using sunflower oil and olive oil. And then before you forget, 2 whole eggs. Mix natin din dito. Pero, whole eggs. Mixed well. Ating chocolates. Durugin lang natin. Ayan. And then, mix natin dito. So, at least yung peanuts nito is bits lang. And then, almonds naman. And we mix them. Para kung may buong chocolates, may buo rin na bananas, diba? Visible. Ayan, malapit na mag-melt yung ating butter. I-grease up natin itong ating pans para hindi dumikit. Spread mo yung oil. Lagyan natin ng flour. Ito. Ito na yung butter. Then mix it well. And kompleto na lahat ng ating ingredients sa liquid. And then yung dry ingredients natin. Liquid and dry ingredients. So, i-mix na natin sila all together. Okay. Okay na rin yung ating pans. Ito na yung ating dry ingredients. Mix na. Then we'll mix them together. And remember ko yung days natin sa culinary school and sa Asian Institute of kay Chef sa may San Juan. There we go. Chef Jean Gonzalez. There we go. Classmate pa natin ng si Cara David. There we go. Yan. Kompleto na ating batter. Yummy. Look at that. Kasi natin yung butter mixture. Si equal parts. Already. Yan. Kasi natin yung white chocolate chips. Come on, here is our banana bowl. That's a banana cake. Choco banana cake. Run. Taste it. And soft. Cup. Sarap. Ano lasa? TJ? Kasi yung cut din mo. Cake na lang talaga.
Banana cake. Di ba banana cake to?
Oo. Siya ako banana cake.